Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get 100 Robux per week with Microsoft Rewards in 2024. Microsoft Edge is similar to Google Chrome in many ways. To start, make sure that Microsoft Edge is installed on your computer. It usually comes pre-installed with most Windows systems. Additionally, it's available for mobile devices as well. Make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get started. I'm going to search for something on Microsoft Edge. Next, I'll click on the metal icon in the top right corner to access the rewards section. As you can see, when I click on these, I redeem some points. To earn more points, make sure to do this every day. This is the Microsoft Rewards dashboard. You can earn rewards like League of Legends content and other stuff. By the way, you can also earn over 100 Robux by accumulating more than 1,500 points. Once you've accumulated the points you want, simply click Redeem, and a code will be sent to your email address. You will receive a message from Microsoft Rewards containing your Robux code. The code will be located under the pin and will consist of 15 numbers. If you're wondering how to redeem your Robux code, just click the link in my bio. As a thank you for helping me reach 50 subscribers, I'm giving away a Robux code and a 1-month Nitro Basic subscription. Make sure to join my Discord server using the link in my bio and comment giveaway to participate. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. See ya next time.